All right, number 10 says researchers initiated a long-term study of a population of American black bears. One aspect of the study was to develop a model that could be used to predict the bear's weight. Since it is not practical to weigh bears in the field, one variable thought to be related to the weight is the length of the bear. The accompanying data represents length and weights of 12 American black bears. We're going to complete parts A through D. So we have a table, total length, and the total weight. So it looks like we're using the length to explain the weight. Explanatory response. Which variable is explanatory based on the goals of the researcher? So they want to predict the bear's weight. So that's going to be the response. The length is going to be the explanatory. That's what we're using to explain it. Scatter diagram. So again, remember, based on here, explanatory should be on the x-axis. So the length should be on the x. The weight should be on the y-axis. So we got A would be out. We're looking for length on the bottom. So we got B, C, and D that are available. And I would need to do a scatter plot. Let me see if I can get it to do, I just don't know if I can change the scale in Excel. I might be able to do it. Let me see if I can get StatCrunch to do it for us. Let's do StatGraph. Scatter plot. X is going to be the length. Y is going to be the weight. I don't know if we need to change any other options. Let's just say build it. Alright, so they started at 120. I don't know how to get our axes exactly the same. But this one starts at 100. This one goes to 160, and that one goes to 200. So it's going to be a little bit different. These are going to be a little bit more compact. But it looks like an upward trend. Almost got like a little fish pattern. Based on appearance, it looks like B. Both of these look pretty close. These are a little bit more spread out, so even with the numbers crunched in, maybe not so much. Yeah, B looks more correct. I'm looking at these 3 dots, and I don't see that the 2 with the 3, so we're gonna go with B. We're going to determine the linear correlation coefficient between the lengths. Okay, so let's see. I've not done it in StatCrunch, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it in Excel. Click over here, formulas, more functions, stat, and then correlation, first array, second array, and we get 0.711 or 712. D, does a linear relationship exist? So we're going to look at the critical values. There were 12. So 0.576, and based on the critical value, the R being higher than the critical value tells that there is a linear relationship. So the variable weight of bears and lengths of bears are positively associated because R is positive and the absolute value of the correlation coefficient is 0.712 is greater than the critical value of 0.576.